Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius, where your 10th house Lord Saturn is already moving. Sun will stay in your 10th house till 14 March. After 14 March, Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Fourth house is with your mother. Your mother's health is seen from fourth house. Your home, physical home, where you live is seen from fourth house. Your properties, your vehicle, your comfort in life, your conveniences in life is seen from fourth house. How much peace do you have in your life is also seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house Lord is moving in your 10th house till 14th March. So till 14th March, Lord is present in your 10th house, and from 10th house, Sun is also aspecting its own house, your fourth house. That's why we can expect great results for your home related matter, for your properties related matter, for your comfort related matter, because your fourth house Lord is present in your 10th house, and 10th house is already in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in its own house, and from 10th house Sun is also expecting its own house, means your fourth house. That's why we can expect great result for your properties related matter, for your vehicles related matter, and your comfort related matter in your life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter till 14 March, till Sun is moving in your 10th house, in the house of work, in the house of profession, in the house of career. Or if you are a business person, then we can also see your business from your 10th house. After 14 March, when your fourth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, where Rahu is already moving in the sign of Pisces, then we can expect you will get great result regarding your properties, vehicles, and conveniences related matter. If previously you want to buy something related to your home, like your properties, vehicles, or some conveniences related item, then we can expect you will definitely purchase after 14 March, when your fourth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house. Because your 11th house deal with your area siblings, your gains, incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, profession network circle is also seen from 11th house. So after 14 March, when your fourth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, then we can expect great result regarding all of these matter in your life. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your 10th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Second house deal with your family, your speech is seen from second house, your family lineage, your family history, your family values, your early upbringing is also seen from second house. Your money matters, your savings, your bank account, your pocket is also seen from second house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter is also seen from fifth house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities also seen from fifth house, and your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So right now your second house and fifth house Lord is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius till 8 March. So till 8 March we can expect great result regarding your work related matter and your earnings at your work related matter, because as we discussed previous videos, second house, sixth house, and 10th house always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. So right now your second house Lord is moving in the house of work, in the house of career, in the house of profession, and in the house of business. And right now your 10th house is in a strong position, as we discussed previously in some section, due to presence of your 10th house Lord Saturn in your 10th house. So we can expect great results for your saving, for your money related matter in the month of March, especially till 8 March. Also, your fifth house lord is moving in your 10th house till 8 March. So, right now, your fifth house is occupied by Ketu, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit videos. So, after 30th October, Ketu is present in your fifth house. But in the month of March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your 10th house. So, we can expect you may face some difficulties at your workplace, but you will also overcome these difficulties due to presence of your Sun and Saturn in your 10th house, because 10th house Lord is also in your 10th house. So your superiors, your bosses will support you in the month of March, especially till 8 March. Also, you need to be take care of your love relationship and your children's related matter and your education related matter till Ketu is moving in your fifth house. But right now in the month of March till 8 March, you may have to face some difficulty at your workplace, but you will overcome these difficulties due to presence of Sun and Saturn in your 10th house. After 8 March, when your second house and fifth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, then we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter. If you are married right now, if you have children, then we can expect great result regarding their health related matter, regarding their growth related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your education if you are also in education life. Secondly, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship and your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter after 8 March, when your fifth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house. Also, your second house Lord will be moving in your 11th house after 8 March. So, in the month of March, especially after 8 March, we can expect you will get a lot of gains regarding your money related matter. You will also accumulate a lot of good news regarding your family related matter. Also, we can expect you will arrange some get together with your friend circle and professional circle due to presence of Rahu in your 11th house. Rahu will expand your friend circle due to presence of Rahu in your 11th house, and after 8 March, your second house Lord will be also moving in your 11th house, in the house of gains, in the house of professional network circle, in the house of friend circle. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Taurus and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus and people, Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is already moving in your ninth house in its exalted position, as we discussed previously in last month prediction videos. Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus controls your first house and also controls your sixth house. And right now, your first house and sixth house lord is moving in your ninth house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your general health, your fundamental nature, your physique, your body, and your mental perception is also seen from first house. Sixth house will be your health, your diseases, your acute diseases, especially seen from sixth house. Your conflicts, your argument, your fights, your court case litigation is also seen from sixth house. Your debt means your loans is also seen from sixth house. Your daily routine in context of work is also seen from sixth house. So right now your first house and sixth house Lord is moving in your ninth house. Ninth house deal with your fortune, your father, your teachings of your father is seen from ninth house. Your higher education means your post-grad education is seen from ninth house. Your travel, long distance travel, and travel related to religious purpose is also seen from ninth house. So right now your first house and sixth house Lord is moving in the ninth house. First of all, we can expect great result regarding your fathers and your father's related matter in your life in the month of March due to presence of Venus in your ninth house. Venus will stay in your ninth house till 8 March. So till 8 March, we can expect great result regarding your luck related matter, regarding your travel related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your education related matter if you are in education, like especially if you are in post-grade education, because ninth house deal with post-grade education. And right now, your first house Lord is moving in your ninth house. Also, if you are dealing with some kind of court case litigation, arguments, and conflicts in your life, then we can expect things will turn into your favor till 8 March, till Venus is moving in your ninth house, because Venus also have the support of Mars in your ninth house. After 8 March, Venus, your first house and sixth house Lord will be moving in your 10th house. So when After 8 March, Venus will move to your 10th house. Then we can expect great result for your work-related matter, as we discussed previously. In Sun and Mercury section due to presence of Saturn in its own house in your 10th house. And after 8 March, Venus will also join your 10th house Saturn. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work-related matter. You may also get some promotions, some good news, and some news regarding your work-related matter at your workplace after 8 March. Also, your 6th house Lord will be moving in your 10th house, and as we discussed previously, Mercury section 6th, 2nd, and 10th house always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. And after 8 March, your 6th house Lord will be moving in your 10th house. So we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your career related matter. If you are a business person, then we can also expect great result for your business related matter. Also, you will accumulate a lot of wealth in the month of March, especially after 8 March 2024. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Moon controls your third house, and right now Moon is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus and people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is present in its exalted position in your 9th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation is seen from 12th house, jail, asylum, hospitalization is also seen from 12th house, your foreign settlement, your long-term investment, your donation ability to do donation is also seen from 12th house, your imagination is seen from 12th house, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house, etc. etc. Your seventh house will be your marriage, your spouse, your legal partner is seen from seventh house, your partnership, your business partnership also seen from seventh house, your commitment, your legal bindings, your agreemented things also seen from seventh house, your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others also seen from seventh house. So right now your 12th house and seventh house Lord is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars is present in his exalted position. So Mars is present in your ninth house till 16th of March. So till 16th of March, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter due to presence of your 12th house Lord in your ninth house. And Jupiter is also present in your 12th house. So we can say if you want to travel somewhere or if you are willing to settle somewhere else from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect great result till 16 March till Mars is moving in your ninth house. So your 7th house Lord will be moving in your ninth house, and Mars will stay in your ninth house till 16 March. So till 16 March, we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationship related matter, and your business and business partnership related matter. After 16 March, when Mars will move from your 9th house to 10th house, then we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your work related matter, and also if you are a business person, then we can expect your business will expand after 16 March when your 7th house lord will be moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. So we can expect these results. One thing also very important to mention here is that 7th house lord is moving in your 9th house. So if you are looking for a second marriage, then we can expect great result till 16 March, till Mars is moving in your 9th house, because from 9th house we also see your second marriage. Thus, we can expect great result for you people regarding all of the planets in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house, and Sun will stay in your 10th house till 14 March. After 14 March, Sun will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mercury will stay in your 10th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 9th house, and Mars will stay in your 9th house till 16th of March. After 16th March, Mars will move from your 9th house to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 9th house, and Venus will stay in your 9th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will also move from your 9th house to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take